Hi, students. On our first class, I didn't have time to demonstrate and present I'll Fly Away. It's kind of an upbeat spiritual piece that is very lively, and it also is a different type of strum. It's I've listed here, just type this in, just a down, up, down, up, down, up strum. Now we have three chords, G, C, and D. And to play this, some glad morning when this life is over, I'll fly away to a home on God's celestial shore. I'll fly away. So it's G. Let me bump up my signal. So there's really no intro. It's just 1, 2, ready, play. Some glad morning when this life is over, I'll fly away. So you'll want to practice the G chord. I'm using a pick. I would really dig in to the strings going down and up. On a down up, you want it to sound even. And my arm is just barely. I'll fly away to a home on God's celestial shore. I'll fly away. So you'll want to practice the G, and then the C, G, second time, now let's look at the chorus. I'll fly away, all glory. Starts on a G. I'm looking at the chorus right now. 3, 4. I'll fly away, all glory. I'll fly away. When I die, hallelujah, by and by, I'll fly away. Now I only have 2 verses and the chorus twice. I believe there are many more verses to this song. This song was requested by some students. They wanted to have something to play in a more, like I said, it's a spiritual that's upbeat and really happy. I did want to do Amazing Grace. It's kind of slow and it can come off as sad. This one, up the tempo, is very lively. Some glad morning when this life is over, I'll fly away. So you'll want to work up to a quick tempo like that. And this was featured, if anyone saw Ken Burns' country music, on the very first episode. A woman does this as an example of the earliest American country music, deriving from the old country, Wales, Ireland, England, and then some. Enjoy this.